ladies and gentlemen, we are in Texas. We literally just crossed the border into a town called Orange. So in the whole tradition, the whole style of Texas, you know, here's what I'm cooking today. Sausages, obviously beer, because you know, sausages and beer go together. And then I'm gonna have kidney beans. I'm gonna do a little, I guess, thing from kidney beans, and then this is Philly cheesesteak. It's just some meat. Gonna mix that kind of up, and then I've got some like easy to make mashed potatoes, like instant mashed potato flakes, which I'll do with some water and just do a little mashed potato thing. This is literally just a quick meal to, you know, grill the meat to make sure the meat stays preserved for the next couple days, and get some food in me, and then I will go to a Planet Fitness to take a shower tonight because I feel kind of dirty because the last couple days I didn't really shower. Louisiana has been very, very intense. but yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower at Planet Fitness and then, you know, find a spot to park, and that'll be it. And then hopefully see some beautiful stuff in Beaumont tomorrow. Aw, look at this cute fire hydrant. Oh, how adorable. He's got like all these different spots on it as well. Look at this guy. What? So this is the world's biggest fire hydrant. What? The world's largest fire hydrant. Just as a means of comparison, if I walk up to here, right, I get to about, this is pretty much my height here, okay? The largest fire hydrant, guys. Insane. So I'll tell you what, guys, this is rather surprising because I'm going to San Jacinto Monument, you know, before Houston. So I went from Beaumont to Houston thinking, okay, it's just a normal drive. But no, it looks like I gotta take a ferry across to get to the monument. This is a little bit surreal, a little bit surreal. I don't know what to think of this, but I'll do a cool video of the ferry. You guys will see that. Maybe I'll do a little time lapse of the ferry, right? Structural repairs to Battleship Texas are needed, so we can't go inside. So yeah, that's it for me. I've been really good. I've just kind of needed to take a little bit of time for myself, and see you next time. This is survival time, bro. We're in Texas.